tyGraph calling is an exciting new experience to transform how your organization collaborates in Microsoft Teams. In this offering, we wanted to deepen our visibility into Teams calling so that you can understand how the organization is spending their time, spot the differences in regional collaboration styles, measure external collaboration, and overall, it gives your organization a pathway to mature Teams adoption. Now in this experience, we've incorporated signals from Teams calls, meetings, PSTN, direct calling, M365 licensing, and your own organizational data to give you a perspective that's actionable and contextual to how your company is behaving today. Now, if you're seeing this for the first time, you can get access easily through our support site. We've linked an article in this AppSource registration, or you can navigate to support.tygraph.com and search for this very article. If you haven't already, your organization will need to authorize tyGraph calling using your M365 Global Admin account. And you can do so by clicking on this button. If you're already a tyGraph Enterprise customer, or if you're someone interested in this tool, but you're not a global admin, still reach out to our help desk team and we'll work to see if we can get you access as well. For those with access, we'll reach back out to you with information that you'll need to connect up this data set. Now, regardless of what stage that you're at, feel free to install this application and you can start exploring our demo data set right now. With that, we hope you're as excited as we are to kickstart your team's transformation with tyGraph calling.